Today I'm going to show you how to make Cacio Pepe fried eggs. You need a non-stick frying pan, some double cream, freshly cracked black pepper, some garlic salt. In a cold pan, take your double cream and pour a bit into it to make a nice slick on the bottom of your pan. Then season the cream with your garlic salt and coarsely ground black pepper. Carefully break your eggs into the cream and let's get cooking. You're going to want to turn the heat up to medium-low. You're going to wait until the cream starts to bubble around the edges. Now if you see your egg whites starting to bulge and bubble, gently pop them to release the steam. What we're waiting for is it to just bubble, steam, and release a lot of the moisture, and for the cream to separate into milk fats and milk solids, where it's going to start caramelizing. Make sure that it's not cooking too quickly or your cream is going to burn. Now turn the heat off and let it cool down a bit. Gently loosen your eggs around the edge with a spatula. And slide it onto your plate and enjoy. I hope that you enjoyed today's lesson on how to make Cacio Pepe eggs. Please subscribe to my channel or watch the next video. Until next time, hope to see you soon.